Hi, in this video I will show you the working of the software I write using Python, MicroPython, PHP, MySQL and Apache server in Raspberry Pi and Raspberry Pi Pico. The software I write is Apache server controlled Raspberry Pi Pico electric heater. Let's get to work. Run Raspberry Pi code, run camera code, run Pico code. Raspberry Pi code get MySQL data, ID and status. Raspberry Pi Pico data, MySQL data, ID and status. Electric heater on. MySQL data status 1. Raspberry Pi Pico data status 1. Reload database status data 1 and electric heater on. Electric heater off. Raspberry Pi data 0, Raspberry Pi Pico data 0 and MySQL data 0. On. Off. On. Off. On. Off. On. Off. Thank you for watching me. See you in the next video.